In a world characterized by uncertainty, what might be learned from one of history's greatest leaders? Imagine living the life of Julius Caesar in 2024. How would embracing his principles change your life? Today, we explore the timeless lessons of Julius Caesar and how you can apply them to conquer your challenges and seize every opportunity. Are you ready to rise far above the ordinary and make a difference in the world? With the mindset of Julius Caesar, your ambitions will become very real, and you'll live a life of true greatness. Section 1. Decisive action. Julius Caesar was known to act decisively. He knew that inaction was the father of failure. Make brave decisions in 2024. Whether it's starting a new project, a change of career, or something you are passionate about, don't wait for the perfect time. Create it. Remember the wise words of Caesar. If you must break the law, do it to seize power. In all other cases, observe it. While we won't advocate breaking any laws, this surely tells one to be audacious against hurdles. Section 2. Strategic thinking. Caesar was brilliant not only as a combatant, but also as a strategist. Strategy is an important human quality in today's world. Plan your path. Be prepared to foresee roadblocks and detours. Think far and envision what you intend to achieve. Design your future. Section 3. Stoic resilience. The backbone of greatness is stoic resilience. You must become Caesar-like in the face of continued defeat and setback. In other words, adopt a challenge as an opportunity to grow. Practice stoicism by focusing your thoughts on that which you can control and accept what you cannot. Remember, every obstacle is a stepping stone toward success. Section 4. Leadership and influence. The influence of Julius Caesar reached far beyond the battlefield. In 2024, be an influential leader who influences by integrity and inspires whoever comes around you. Whether in your community, workplace, or personal relationships, this ability can create a ripple effect of positive change. Section 5. Meeting adversity with calmness. Stoic resilience is the backbone of greatness. Like Caesar, who was put through defeat so many times, you too should understand that challenges are made as opportunities for growth. Practice stoicism by focusing on what you can control and accepting what you cannot. Every obstacle should be your stepping stone toward success. Live like Julius Caesar would in 2024, a mindset of action, strategy, resilience, and leadership. It's about one's destiny to stand up and really make a legacy that no one will ever forget. Are you ready to live a life that echoes through history? Now is the time to take action. Tell them to like, subscribe, and comment on how they plan to live like Julius Caesar.